I want to get started on working on some Etsy orders and packing some Amazon product, but there are cats in literally every part of my process. You gonna help me film? Today I'm gonna work on a video about packing, how I make my Etsy orders, so that's why the camera's out. Ooh, careful there, little one. Hey, it's okay. Everything's fine. Very late lunch after a very long nap. She napped from noon to almost 3, so she's very hungry, it looks like. Ash buddy, get down. I'm also going to eat now because I've been holding her the whole time she napped, just about. Yeah. Beep, beep. They're coming. It looks like we're not going grocery shopping today because it's way too late now to get on the road, so forget it. We'll do it tomorrow. Whatever. First from last night. If you're wondering why this baby slept so long today, it's because we had a really rough night last night. Now, I don't know if it... Well, woke up last night around 3:30 and I went in and just like laid her down, covered her up, and she went back to sleep. And then she woke up again at 4:30 and I nursed her a little bit, and like she wouldn't go to sleep. She just kept looking around at the ceiling, and then this huge weird black bug flew by, and like she was just like wide-eyed staring at it. And so I think that it was scaring her. So I was afraid that it might be a wasp or something. I don't even know what it could be. So I was concerned about putting her back to sleep in there with us not having caught it. And so Chris said just bring her into bed with us. So she slept with us last night. And but we were up for like a good hour, I would say, before she and I could get back to sleep. He fell asleep pretty easily, but we were just kind of laying there tossing around, and well, some of us were trying to play, but yeah, so it was kind of a long night, and the bug is still missing in action, and I don't know what we're gonna do about it tonight, because I don't know if I want to put her to sleep in there, but I also don't want her to get used to sleeping in our bed for what she would probably consider no apparent reason. So I don't know, I'll keep you up to date on the bug hunt situation as it continues. What? Is it yummy? Where's your fork? On the floor? Troubling. Help me mix the vegetables up for dinner? I am good and mixed up. Bug update. It's a moth. A really big old moth. Here's my hand for comparison. But alas, probably not dangerous. Are you a shark? Mom. On the way to Kylie's house to drop off Callie L, and then I'm off to work. Having a breakfast while I wait at the gym for my friend to show up.
Why must you?
Happy girl. What? Lights? Lights? That's right. I just turned them on. You ready to brush your teeth? Yeah? Want to get your owl? Where is he? Where's your owl? He's behind you. Got him? Good job. All right, let's go. Let's go brush your teeth. Okay. Yeah, teeth? Okay. What's she doing? Fig. I don't know that that's a good idea. Someone wants my cereal. Yeah. Is that what you want? It's Thursday. It's about 9:24. Kelly is having breakfast. My coffee is cooking. Mako is trying desperately to get at the butter. Sorry about the lack of stuff yesterday. It was one of those days where I kind of just like sat around all day and felt really bad about it. I feel guilty when I don't get things done because I'm privileged enough to be able to be at home. I should be using that time, and instead I just like, you know, packed a couple Etsy orders, read a book, washed dishes, and lazed about. And I know I'm allowed to do that, but it still makes me feel really guilty. So that's why there wasn't a whole lot to see. But today, maybe it will be better. I don't know. We'll see. It remains to be seen. It will be? Okay. So far today, I've gotten this box here packed up with product. There's 88 pieces in there, so that's pretty cool. I'm working on printing an Etsy order over here. And I still have all of this stuff that isn't boxed up, so I might try to get a second UPS box together. We'll see. You taping it up? Tape it up. You hard at work? I'm printing an order. And Kelly out here is doing a little product testing, right? Yeah. Great job. Keep up the good work. I tried to take a shower, and no hot water came out. Only cold water, and I was very sad. So now Chris is home, and he's trying to check if there's a pilot light issue, and then we are gonna have to figure something out because hot water is kind of important. So that was an unpleasant discovery. I hope it's something quick and easy to fix, but knowing my luck, it probably is not. Yeah. You think it is, Callio? Yeah, he's down there. A sudden and very alarming, strong storm. So I thought I'd come out here. I heard hail, but I think it's gone already. It was just a couple hails. This baby dress, but she is fighting me. Yeah, she'd rather look for stuff in the sofa cushions and sit on my cat. Sorry, Fig. Gentle pets. Not very gentle. Fig home. Can you give her a nice hug? Can you? Will you? Oh, that's better. Nice girl. Okay, thank you. Hey, so I was all set to go to work, but it turns out the repair guy is going to be coming today between 11 and 1, so I'm just going to be staying at home and working on some stuff here. I'm still dropping Kelly all off at Kylie's house. so that I can get work done around the house and drop off a UPS box and maybe go finally open a PO box, which is something I've been wanting to do for a while. So I'm going to go take this baby, and then I'm going to go back home and try and get some work done there. I had to stop at the grocery store on my way back from dropping off Callie-L to get some cheese and sour cream and stuff for lunches. And so I figured I might as well get myself some breakfast while I was there. I am the worst healthy eater ever. I heard that the repair guy is going to be here in about 20 minutes. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I was downstairs trying to make the basement look at least a little bit less like an exploded box factory. I got 2.5 bags of trash from down there. I'm trying to just kind of straighten up the house as it becomes necessary or easy. If there's stuff in my way, I'll clean it up and throw it out because I'm trying to get rid of all of our possessions. But so that worked out pretty well. Whew, I need a break. So the heater guy just left, and apparently this is not the problem with the heat. He didn't even get to the problem with the heat, but the bigger problem is that those lines are apparently supposed to be straight, and the top of the heater is apparently supposed to be not buckled. So, something happened, and these lines got pulled in and buckled my tank, and everything nearly ruptured. So, I guess I'm glad that we just lost heat in our water instead of having a massive leak. He said that the solder's actually kind of pulled away. That he's actually kind of surprised it's not leaking. Yeah, but you can see, that's not cool. That's the heater, don't worry about that. But yeah, so that's cool. So it's new heater day, apparently. Trying to pack some product, but my lap got kind of full kind of fast. Here's the new guy.
This is my way.
Yeah. It's a bad way.
Okay, then.
Oh, pretty boy. Oh, I want to pet him, but he's hiding from me. He's so big. Look at his big feet. Oh. Hi, pretty boy.
Yeah. Do you have your hearing aids in?
No.
But I could say I can hear. Well, it's the level of the sound, I guess, or something. Yeah.
Okay, Bob.
Here, wait. Look, with Poppy. You take our picture with Poppy? Yeah. Look at Mommy. What are you doing, you nut? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Here, now watch this. Watch me not have.
What are you doing? You are silly. You're a silly girl. What are you doing? Looks delicious.
Here, give it to me.
It's too big for you. Bite.
Mmm.
Thanks.
She's so thoughtful.
Thank you.
There, I hit that.
Good job.
For dessert, I have everything.
Oh, that's right. Exactly. I love lemon pancakes.
Hey, look.
They're good too.
Here, look what lemon pound cake.
Tomorrow, Bob, you'll come on.
Okay.
So big. Oh. Morning, it's Saturday. It's almost 9:30. Chris works today, which is a bummer. We're about to have breakfast, and then I have to decide if I actually want to leave the house today or not. I kind of want to because I hate spending my Saturdays inside. But it's still pretty gross out, and I don't know if I want to bundle this baby up against the terrible rain just to, you know, satisfy my need to do something on the weekend. What do you think, Kellyo? Yeah. Are you silly? Hit it. This baby has spent like the last 20 minutes playing with that piece of straw she found. Hi, fish. She's just like drawing on the walls and the floor with it. It's a tiny piece of like actual like hay. I don't know where she got it, but she's having a good time. Where is it? Let me see. Okay, so I'm on my way to Lyft now, and Steve and Megan came over so I could help them figure out their taxes, and we watched some TV and had some lunch, and Chris is home now and he's got the Blable, and I'm out. I think I might be picking up dinner while I'm out too. I don't know what's going on with that yet, so I will check in later. It got here while I was out lifting. I'm so excited to open this thing. So beautiful. Good morning, it's Sunday and we are on our way to breakfast with Chris's mom. We're going to a very quaint little diner out in the middle of nowhere. Callie is in the back. I can't tell if this is focusing on me or not. But we don't have a mirror in his car, so you can't see it. And she brought her owl with her, which is adorable. Time to clean the bathroom. it is about 4:46, and it's exactly 4:46. And we are on our way to Chris's grandparents' house. We are celebrating my birthday, which is tomorrow, and his grandfather's birthday, which was last week. It is a beautiful day, which I have spent the day cleaning, but that's okay. At least it's cleaner now. Baby's back there. Can we see her? Can we see her? There she is. She's squinting in the sunlight. So yeah, we are on our way.
Now you have peace.
We're gonna text you a piece.
Hey,
We're texting a piece to
hey
you.
Paul, come on over.
After midnight, and I am mixing up some overnight oats for my breakfast tomorrow. This is a new recipe I've never used, so we'll see how it goes.